Machine has a long parts adapter inside with 4 live tools. I think there's 7 or 8 of the turning tools, 5 back working, also long drilling from the end sub spindle, and a parts conveyor. They have the original chip conveyor coming with this machine. This is a V2, MPV2, high pressure, with 8 lines distribution on the inside. Give a quick show from the back side. Here are the distributors. Plus the back working tools for deep hole drilling. 4-position back working. 6 OD with 4 through. 4 live tools. 1 offset slotting. Take a quick walk around the back. The machine has long part attachment, also does have the front end ejection inside the main spindle housing area, back at the guide bushing. And I'll open the front door from the front. And you can see the front end ejection in here. Okay, we're going to run the machine just to hear it. These doors do have the interlocks on them, so we will have the door closed for the... Okay, we're going to run a program that they're running now. This machine has really only seen brass. I'm going to run this dry so you can see the actual working. And what RPM will you run this up to?
2,500, I think is what the cutoff does.
And here the slides are very quiet. They've only run this machine in oil. This company makes basically plumbing type fittings for a gas product, liquid or LPG or liquid gas or propane. Cross drilling holes. This machine also has the thread milling capability turned on. It's an upgraded from Fanuc. You see the part is about 12 inches long. Being supported right now in the sub spindle.
It's running 3,300 right now.
3,300 RPM. And this is the cutout box. And that part will be swallowed up here in the back. Power on of 40,000 power on hours, and probably runs 1 to 2 shifts a day on the average.
Yeah.
1 to 2 shifts on the average.
Just usually one.
1 shift, okay. And you can see it runs in production. There's no wear and tear on the handles or the rapid feeds.